Hello friends, welcome to Electro Pixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Welcome back to Electro Pixels. Repair video. We have a 40-inch Samsung Full HD LED TV on our workbench. The customer's complaint is that the TV is completely dead, with no power and no standby indication. To begin the diagnosis, we're using a Fluke 101 digital multimeter in continuity mode to check for short circuits on the power supply board. As you can hear from the continuity beep, the 12-volt output section is shorted. Further inspection reveals that one of the output rectifier diodes has failed, preventing the power supply from operating correctly. Although only one diode is found to be short-circuited, we've decided to replace all three output diodes in the 12-volt section. Since these components have been operating under the same electrical and thermal conditions for years, replacing the complete set improves long-term reliability and minimizes the chances of another diode failing in the near future. Here you can see the three new diodes installed on the power supply board. With the replacement completed and all solder joints carefully inspected, it's time for the final power on test. As you can see, the TV powers up successfully, the display lights up normally, and the picture is fully restored. This confirms that the faulty output diodes in the 12-volt section were the root cause of the no power condition. This repair demonstrates the importance of accurate diagnosis before replacing components. A simple continuity test with a multimeter can quickly identify shorted semiconductors, helping technicians perform an efficient and reliable repair while avoiding unnecessary part replacements. That's all for today's repair. We hope this video helps you understand the troubleshooting process for Samsung LED TV no power faults and the importance of checking the power supply board thoroughly. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Electro Pixels. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss our latest TV repair tutorials.